What is happening, guys? Happy Friday. I hope you are having a wonderful day today. Happy Valentine's Day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. We're back. If you haven't checked out my projects, do yourself a favor. The link is in the description, www.coffeeandcoins.info. Go there, check it out, see what I got going on. All right, I want to come back and show you a promo that's going on with one of the marketing systems that I'm using to promote the Legacy Builder program that I've been talking to you guys about. All right, so if you're interested in actually learning how to market online, digital marketing, okay, to earn instant commissions, this is a step-by-step training program with coaching, live weekly calls, okay? If you really want to learn this thing, the real deal, not a program or course just sitting in your dashboard, right? That's old and outdated. This is the #1 recommended program. www.coffeeandcoins.info. Go check it out. So we want to talk about this promo that the company that's powering this marketing system that we're using, okay, has. Let's check it out so you can see for yourself how this thing works. All right, let's go. So the system that I'm using to promote, this is a third-party system. Of course, you can get the free system at www.thecopypastemethod.com. Okay, but this is the third-party system that I'm talking about right now, the Simple Digital Success system, a turnkey marketing system exclusively for digital growth community business builders. Go check it out at www.coffeeandcoins.info. All right, this 2-minute video will explain. So let's take a look at it. All right, check it out.
It's Jason, and welcome to Simple Digital Success, a revolutionary automated selling system for Legacy Builder and digital growth community members. It's no secret that Legacy Builder has been sweeping the internet and helping thousands of people create life-changing results online. It works, period. But we wanted to take our decades of affiliate marketing funnel creating experience and add a little more sizzle to the steak. Throw some gasoline on the fire, if you will. We partnered up with Networker Central, a robust all-in-one marketing platform, to power our Simple Digital Success sales funnels. All of our custom capture pages, pre-written autoresponders, video sales pages, and legacy building resources are instantly available inside. Our system is simple to operate and has everything you need, including a mobile app, so you can one-touch text and email your prospects on the go. Plus, Networker Central is owned by a 20-year-old lead generation company, so you can purchase leads right from your back office and have the system contact them automatically. We'll even give you $100 in free leads to start. Lastly, how about enjoying an extra residual income stream when you refer others to Simple Digital Success? People are going to want to use the same system to close them, making it easy for you to refer them and get paid. Building multiple streams of income these days is not just smart, it's absolutely essential. So here's what happens next. This is a 2-step process, so pay close attention for a simple and smooth experience. Step 1. Sign up for the 14-day free trial of Networker Central. This is the technology that powers the entire system and contains all the bells and whistles you need to automate your Legacy Builder business. After that, it's only $29 or $49 a month, depending on the package you choose. Step 2. Purchase the Simple Digital Success funnel for a one-time $40. Once you purchase, you'll get the Team Share access code so you can immediately unlock everything and get started. Okie dokie, that's it. If you're serious about taking your Legacy Builder business to the next level and using the latest, most unique presentation system on the market, then hit the button below and let's get started. I'll see you on the inside.
All right, so you heard it, right? So there is a promo. Okay, that's what I want to talk about. All right, of course, if you're already in the Legacy Builder program, you may want to check this out as well. All you got to do is go to coffeeandcoins.info. You're going to come down on the page, right? And you're going to click right here where it says join Network Central now, right here. Okay, you're already in the program and just purchase this system. Okay, you get a 14-day trial, Network Central. So let's take a look here because that's what I want you to see. Hang on a second. Okay, SDS, which is Simple Digital Success, has partnered with Network Central. They're the powerful full-featured marketing platform. They're powering this system. Within this system, you get the exclusive access to all the pages, the whole marketing funnel for the Legacy Builder program. You got to have Network Central in order to get access to the Legacy Builder marketing funnel that they have inside of here. Now, this Network Central company offers a affiliate program within there as well, because if folks sign up for this, of course you get the 14-day free trial, but if folks sign up for it, you get residual income. 2-tier affiliate program offers additional income stream. All right, so that's the great thing about it, guys, because duplication, all right, that's what you're trying to make happen here. Folks want to sign up with you. They signed up with you for the Legacy. Now they're like, oh, well, I like that marketing system. So you get a referral for that. And as long as folks keep the marketing system, you're going to earn monthly residual income. Okay? And that's what the Simple Digital Success platform is powered by the Network Central company. Okay? That's what he was explaining on the video. All right, so let's take a look at that over here. So, SDS, in partnership with Network Central, unlock your business potential. Simple Digital Success is powered by Network Central, a robust yet simple all-in-one marketing platform containing all the bells and whistles you need to automate the digital growth community business and help you run it like a pro. So what they've got here is a no-risk free trial, limited time offer, $100 in free leads. All right? Go check it out. Go to coffeeandcoins.info. All right. So if you're looking to generate more leads and more effectively follow up with your prospects and close more sales, they've got the solution. You're going to get contact management system, trackable email and text message marketing, virtual notepad and activity tracker, lead generation websites and sales funnels, push notification alerts as your prospects take action, and much more. So here it is on the screen, limited time offer. Sign up now and receive the $100 in free leads to grow and duplicate your business. Plus get instant access to their mobile app. Both are yours to keep even if you cancel. No strings attached. Okay. So as they state right here, start your 14-day free trial now. No risk, no long-term commitment. Cancel anytime, no questions asked. All right, so let's take a listen to this real quick. Check it out. This is from Network Central. All right, check it out.
Introducing Networker Central, your all-in-one digital marketing platform with the power of AI. A complete solution to manage and grow all aspects of your business with team sharing features, allowing you to duplicate your success throughout your entire organization. With Networker Central, you'll have access to a professional suite of ready-to-go websites in a number of different verticals. Our websites are expertly crafted with compelling copy and high-quality produced videos. Need something custom? No worries. With our website builder, you can further modify our templates to create your own fully customized website or sales funnel. Managing your contacts is a breeze too with our integrated contact management system and email follow-up system. You can send one-touch emails, broadcast emails, and even create an automated email autoresponder campaign to drip on your prospects over the course of a year. From our mobile app, you can even send trackable text messages, receiving a push notification when your prospects take action, so you can follow up when their interest is piqued. All prospect activity is tracked in the activity feed. Did they open an email, click on a link, or visit your website? And if so, how long were they on each page? And what videos did they click on to watch? You'll have all this information at your fingertips, so you'll know what they're most interested in when you follow up. With Networker Central, you can literally manage your entire business from one platform, streamlining and simplifying your day-to-day operations. And now, with the power of AI, we're even taking this to the next level. Need help writing an email? Just click the AI for suggestions on writing a compelling subject line or email content. Or have it proofread your existing content and recommend improvements. With a few clicks, your messages are professionally written, saving you time and frustration. Our AI is integrated throughout Networker Central and available at your fingertips everywhere. Whether you're writing emails, creating text message templates, writing phone scripts, or even building your website, our AI tools can literally build these for you. You really just need to try this for yourself and see how the Networker Central digital marketing platform can transform your business. And why not? It's completely risk-free with a 14-day satisfaction guarantee. If you are not 100% satisfied, we'll give you a refund, no questions asked. So what are you waiting for? Get started with Networker Central today.
there you have it, guys. Okay. So let's take a look here. So here's how you want to get started, whether you just want to sign up for the Legacy Builder program or you want to sign up for this marketing system, right? So you want to go to www.coffeeandcoins.info, right? You can see this page right here. Come down till you get to this image right here where it says Proven Six-Figure Business Blueprint, delivers results in 2-hour workday. Click that, opt in. Okay, once you opt in, you're going to get this page. Where did it go? You're going to get this page right here, right? So check this out. Read over that. This is one of the pages that's a part of the Simple Digital Business that helps you promote the Legacy program, right? So you want to come here, come all the way down, all the way down, all the way down, right? And you see right here, where did it go? Right here. You see these two. It says Digital Growth Community. Click the button below if you're ready to get started with the program, right? Where you can earn 100% profit, where you can earn instant commissions and actually learn digital marketing. You're going to earn $100, $300, $600, or $900 commissions, depends on which program you get started with. All right, so right there it says, yes, I'm ready to get started. All right, over here to your right, it says Simple Digital Success. SDS is an optional premium marketing system available exclusively, okay, through this company. This system is not included with the DGC program, but is available for purchase. Please click the button below to learn more about the benefits of using the SDS system and how it can create an additional income stream for you and your team. That's what we just looked at. So you would click here, and that way you can take advantage of the system and get access to this $100 in free leads. All right, guys, that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. On your way out, don't forget, go check this project out at www.coffeeandcoins.info and just check out everything that I got going on. All right, but don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there, guys. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.